Virginia made waves at the American Farm Bureau 2026 convention. From sunrise workshops to celebrations in the evenings, our days were packed with learning, competition, connection, and a little fun along the way in Anaheim, California. On the national stage, 4 outstanding Virginians didn't just compete in the Young Farmers and Ranchers program, they advanced. Cheyenne Rhodes of Shenandoah County powered into the discussion meet Sweet 16. Clay and Paula Green of Augusta County reached the Achievement Award Top 10, ultimately earning an impressive third-place finish. And Dustin Francis of Halifax County moved right on up into the Excellence in Agriculture Top 10. Virginia's voice was heard loud and clear on the delegate floor, where our delegates worked together to protect the interests of farmers across the Commonwealth. On the trade show floor, Loudoun County and Franklin County proudly showcased what makes Virginia agriculture so unique. We also celebrated a major honor as former Virginia Farm Bureau President Wayne Pryor received the American Farm Bureau Founders Award, one of the highest honors presented by American Farm Bureau. Our women's leadership team stayed engaged through meetings and meaningful community outreach projects, continuing to lead with purpose and impact. And we're bringing home more than memories. Virginia Farm Bureau earned the Pinnacle Award for Outstanding Program and Membership Achievement. Along with the inspiration from powerful keynote presentations by Brooke, Rollins, and Tebow. We are excited for the year ahead, and we will see American Farm Bureau next year in Charlotte, North Carolina.